heading for Indiana Harbor. I don't know, there's been a couple times I've actually seen them riding their bicycles on board. Some of them have their little electric scooters. It's amazing, quite a walk. There's been occasions when we've seen the supply boat Ojibwe also come up and tie right up next to them. Remember, this freighter's not stopping, so that's all done on the move. It's really amazing to see how that's all handled. Really smooth and trouble-free. Being a member of the Sulaks Visitor Center for over 20 years, when they Mesabi miner, I think twice I've boarded it and given them our complimentary hats, their plaques, visit with the captain, tell a story or two. It's amazing that what you see from up there. Quite a difference. Quite a treat. Being a volunteer,